Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Wednesday, the 12th of February, 2020. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. We've got our units retake on Friday. We've also got 30 minutes of Moby Max that is due by the end of the week. Our extra credit number 5, that is due on Friday as well. Our Chapter 7 test is tomorrow. If you have no homework in math, but you need to go through, and we suggest that you finish and submit the chapter review. We highly recommend that. Remember, if for some reason we do not have school tomorrow, everything will be bumped back a day. Okay? In science, we've got potential versus kinetic. It's an energy worksheet that we need to make sure we're using our notes out of our, or it's a Google form online, excuse me. We've got to make sure we're using our notes from the textbook. In social studies, there is no homework. In language arts, we get the Watsons Go to Birmingham, journal number 14 and 15. That is optional for extra credit. We must complete all chapter notes. We need to study for Thursday's test. If we do have a snow day, the test is Friday with no review time prior to class. In literature, we need to make sure that we are remembering to take our AR test at school over Freedom Walkers. And honors, that is something that is still up there. Hopefully we'll continue on with our stance with our agree versus disagree paragraph with our classmates. Just a reminder, guys, looking at things, the weather, we could have a snow day tomorrow. You need to get on Google Classroom, check for any updates from your teachers, maybe any updates on the homework chart, but make sure that you're studying as we are having quizzes coming up, and it's very important that we pay attention and make sure that we are prepared. It's going to be it for this day. Everyone enjoy, and we will see you when we see you.